Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be cash stuffing my savings challenges, and I believe I have $630 to stuff. So let's count it out. So here's 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 600, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. So 630. Let's fix this. All right, you guys. So let's get started. So I was talking to my fiance, you guys, and she was telling me how we should probably start just paying off my student loans instead of saving all this money. Of course, I didn't like the idea, but she's right, you know, gotta pay off our debt. We haven't been making any payments because it's on deferment right now and it's not really accruing interest. But she made a valid point to where saying, like, you know, right now that it's not accruing interest is the time you want to pay it off, because later on it will be, and it'll be a lot harder. So yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. So going forward, I think I'm only gonna scratch one of each one. Nope, maybe two of each one. Maybe two of each one and not do so many. But we'll see. We'll see, you guys. I still want to throw like half my paycheck to these things. Anyways, all right, so for this one, I believe I scratched off, let's see, 60 and 40, that's 100, 150, 15 and 15 is 30, 180. So 180, let's count out 180, 120, 40, 60, and 80. So that's 180 right there. And for the 2K challenge, let's count it out. Okay. I don't remember putting that placeholder in there, but if it's in there, it's in there, right? Okay. So for the Gold Digger challenge, we now have 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So 1160. All right, we're making progress on this. We are almost done. We're a little more than halfway. So, and look at the envelopes that I made, you guys. They're not as nice as the other ones, but I wanted to make something quick because I was tired of like them not matching my actual envelopes. So I just printed these out, and they're vellum and they're printed. And I was like, oh, these actually came out kind of nice. So as you can see, like, let me show you guys. So it's vellum, and you can still see the 100 in the back, and it's printed. I don't know, like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's really nice. So I was thinking of maybe adding these to my shop. What do you guys think? These printed ones, they're not that hard to make, so I wouldn't make them too expensive. So I mean, I like it. It's nice and simple, you know. So, and you guys will see, because I did it in a different color too, just to see if it works, and it does. All right, so let's scratch off for the next time. Which ones should I scratch, or how many should I scratch is the question, because if I could, trust me, I would scratch them all off. Let's scratch two of them and see where that is. Okay, let's hold on. Let me scratch off. Let me cross out the ones that I've already done, so that way I don't get confused, because I'm just going to be seeing all kinds of numbers and adding extra money or not enough money, and then it really won't be $2,000, and what's the point in that, right? All right, so let's do this one. 60. Okay, we're off to a good start. You guys, for some reason, when I'm scratching at an angle, it's really, really hard to scratch it. But you'll see how flawless it is if I do it laying down like this. I just don't want to leave it laying down because of the ring light. But let's do this one. Look how flawless it is. That's so flawless. But like doing it at angle, I guess, I don't know. It's hard. But anyways, we got 60 and 30. That's 90. I'm going to do one more just because I want to hit at least the $100 threshold for each one. So let's hope it's not a large amount, but let's do this one. 60. I'm not mad. Let's just hope she doesn't get mad. All right, you guys. So 150 for the Gold Digger Challenge for next week. I'm okay with that. All right, now on to my mystery challenge. And this is another one that I did for the mystery challenge. I did 2 black ones and 1 red one. You guys will see the red one next. So for the mystery challenge, I believe I had scratched off 65, 45. That's 110 plus 50 is 160. So 160. Let's add that amount. So 5. Let's add some 5s. I don't know why I have so many 5s. 1, 20, 40, 60, 80. Wait, what am I doing? I don't even know how to count, you guys. Look at that. What is going on? See, that's how we're manifesting money, you guys. I am manifesting these 5s to turn into 20s. Oh my God. Okay, 100. And how many did I say? 60, right? 160. Okay, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Let's do 40 and 120. Okay, let's count this. Or let's add it to the mystery challenge and count how much we have in here. Because I just started this one, so I don't really have much. So, all right. We have 100, 200, 50, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 300, 510. So 310. Not bad for just starting it. 310, you guys. All right, and my goal is to get a $100 threshold for each one. So let's turn this around and let's cross these out so I don't get confused. You guys, these are available on my Etsy shop. Again, if you haven't checked out my Etsy shop, it's linked down below. But I have all, well, except for this one, but I have all the other scratch off. The Gold Digger, you can choose how much you would like to save. And these are the mystery challenges. I have a easy, medium, and a hard mystery challenge. Plus I have a 1K and a 2K challenge that are just like this. So let's scratch off until we get to about 100. All right, let's do it. Okay, this one, 55. Okay, all right, we're about halfway. Let's do this one. Oh, 45. That's exactly 100, huh? Holy moly. Can I do one more? I'm going to do one more. You have to, right? You want to save. I get too carried away with these, you guys. I swear I do. All right. 45. All right, 145. That's not bad, right? 145? I can live with it. I can definitely live with it. All right, so this again is the medium mystery challenge. So medium. All right, and now Pink X Budget's her scratch off challenge. So we had 160 and 130, which equals to 290. So I believe that it's the rest of this. So let's count it out. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. So yeah, 290 right here. And let's add that to this. And I believe this is our 8,000 challenge, $8,000 challenge. So we are making good progress. Good progress. I'm so excited. Wow, look at this. It's thickums. All right, so let's count it out. We have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 900, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1000, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So 12, 17. Not bad. I'm excited. I need to do a prop swap. Bill exchange. So it's a little thick, you guys. I gotta really condense this. But as you can see, I messed it up a little right here because I cut it too soon. The ink hadn't dried. But this is the red one. Can you guys see that? This is the red one. And honestly, you guys, I love the way they came out. I love it, love it, love it. So I'm going to play around with it and see what else I can do. But I think I'm going to start adding envelopes to my Etsy shop. Not quite clear because I've already told you guys the problem that I have with the clear, that they don't really come out clear. But I'm going to do what I can, like these. And I feel like this one came out really, really nice. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like these on my Etsy shop. All right, you guys, so let's cross off the 130 and the 160. And let's scratch off. I believe on this one I should do one only because these amounts are pretty high. They're all in like the 150s. So I'm going to only do one, to be fair. Does it hurt me to do one? Yes. Am I going to die because I'm only doing one? Yes. But I can only do one. So, which one is the question? We don't have nothing in this row, so let's do one in this row. Let's do this one. 170. See what I mean? So high. Why? Why are you so high? But anyways, okay. 170. That's still okay because, you know, I would have wanted to do something on the high end. I don't know. Call me crazy. I just want to throw my whole check at this binder. But, yeah. Okay, you guys. So that is it for my savings challenge. I need to do a bill exchange. Do you guys see that? It's like bulging. But yeah. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. It's dirty. Okay. Sorry. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.